Hunting at these altitudes is high risk. And the ibex just raised the stakes. Mom watches on. He needs to do this on his own. So close, yet so far. It might look like a failure, but even a top predator needs to know his limits. Soon, these 3 cubs will be on their own, relying on the skills that they've learned. But one challenge they face is beyond their control. The warming climate is forcing these cold-adapted animals further up into the mountains. The higher they go, the less space there is. As wilderness disappears, it brings big cats into conflict with humans.